4:30, Maui wildfire survivors are one step closer to receiving justice, although a bigger hurdle is still ahead.
That's what attorneys are saying after announcing a last-minute resolution today in one of the important steps toward a multi-billion-dollar settlement. Chelsea Davis has the details from Wailuku.
Your Honor, may we approach?
Judge Peter Cahill's court convened for a mini trial this morning, including survivors as witnesses. Instead, he was told attorneys have come to an agreement.
They have reached a resolution of this dispute.
The dispute was over how much of the $4 billion settlement would go to victims who hired individual attorneys and those who prefer to join a class action with a small group of lawyers. The details of the agreement between the victims' lawyers are confidential. Maui attorney Cynthia Wong represents individual plaintiffs.
I know it's been a long and difficult road and it's been a long process, but we are getting much closer to getting money to people. I know money doesn't make a difference in the end if you've lost a loved one, but you know, our justice system is about compensation in a case like this. So we're working very hard to make that happen.
Wong had argued that the clients who hired law firms were the most seriously harmed people, and that those who would choose to join the class action were mostly less damaged, like visitors who canceled their trips to Maui or businesses outside of the burn zone. Kyle Smith, attorney for those class action plaintiffs, didn't want to comment on today's outcome, which is not the last battle. The entire settlement remains on hold while the state Supreme Court decides if insurance companies can get a piece of the settlement to repay more than $2 billion they paid out in claims.
It's not over. No, it's not over. There's still a lot more to go, and again, the Supreme Court oral argument is our next big step, and we're preparing for that next.
Oral arguments at the state Supreme Court are scheduled for next week, Thursday. Reporting in Wailuku, Chelsea Davis, Hawaii News Now.